Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have here the 56 by 87 card sleeves, which I use the most for my K-pop photo Lumo cards. And this one, we have here the fancier one, which has these stars. And we have here the cheapest one, which is the OPP plastic. Like, the more you want to protect the cards, the pricier it gets. Like for me, double sleeving is good enough than just sleeving it with a card sleeve. But if you really want to go all the way, you would want to put a third layer, which is an OPP plastic from double sleeving it up. Thank you for watching, everyone. Follow for more.